Hello everyone, welcome back our YouTube channel. Today this video I will be measuring. Today I will show you how you can install Cash app on your iPhone without leaving USA and UK. Why there are many other users will try to download Cash app from App Store. Asking for this app is currently not available. Me Let me show you now. You can see official application is not available. So official, what is the method to get application from App Store without leaving USA and UK? Guys, what you need to do first of all, open the setting and application in your iPhone. Here is your iCloud profile, and then top of the screen simply go here, and once here we go guys, you just press here media and purchase, and then click on view account, and once here go simply view account, just wait few seconds. Now you can see your page is loading, and after loading this page you will get this interface. Wait few seconds, and this interface. Now simply go to country or region, and our region, and then guys again page is loading for 5 seconds. Now change the original associate with this account. Simply go here and just select change country or region and your country. Now you guys get now only available UK and USA, and scroll up, and I have already United States USA. Okay, go simply just like, and then can like United States mean USA. After select United States, then tap on agree and tap on again agree, and once their condition is agree, and then once here goes there the interface, basically you just select dot option if you do not have any white method and PayPal accounts, and once you can select this, now automatically you third this page your name, and then you just put building address for US, enter city California. This guy is select city California, then flag state, and after you can do this guys need a zip code, your zip code, then n, and do not know, simply go to Safari browser and you can get a zip code from for California. I do not know. Oh, I know guys, what is zip what is the zip code of California? 911 then enter your phone number, and okay guys, after you can put this information in your app store, then tap on next, and after you can do this, just wait a few seconds, you can change a still country or region, and that is it. Boom, you will easily search your app store, and then next, and your problem is fixed, then country region is changed by United States. Let me show. We are search on App Store. Search here Cash app, and you can search Cash, and after you can search your country, you will get a Cash application, and then click on and your iPhone or tap on download, and just wait guys, you can see you will easily download Cash application without living in US and UK. This is a method. Guys, I hope you are well. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please do not forget my YouTube channel, subscribe and like and share my video.